Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by narrowing what you need and where to look. Start searching with precise keywords and filters for duration and resolution. This saves hours later. Open the most relevant platform first and use advanced search operators to limit results. While scanning, mark promising clips and note timestamps. That way you can quickly compare quality. Once you have a short list, check licensing conditions immediately so you don't collect unusable material. Next, dig into the middlework, refining filters and verifying sources. Use combinations of site-specific searches and exact phrase queries to surface obscure clips. Make sure to toggle license filters or search Creative Commons collections when reuse matters. While previewing, inspect bitrate, frame rate, and audio channels to ensure technical compatibility. If quality is borderline, search mirrored uploads or stock archives for higher resolution versions. Keep a running log of sources, file names, and timestamps for. Finally, secure and prepare the selected clips. Download originals when available and verify checksums or file durations to confirm integrity. Once done, store a master copy and work from duplicates to preserve quality. If you must transcode, choose settings that retain frame rate and color space. If a clip fails to play or is corrupted, re-download from the source or try a different mirror. Check codec compatibility and update your player. One key tip: always keep one untouched original for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.